Hi, teacher and classmates. My name is Edison Ruiz, and I am studying industrial engineer. In this opportunity, I want to talk about my travel guide. The the place is Jaime Duque Park. This location is near to Bogota. You you can to arrive in public transportation and private vehicle because the park is free parking. in this park you in this park you can learn about nature, culture and Muisca history. In our restaurants you you can enjoy the Colombian gastronomy as the sancocho, cocido boyacense, and other foods as the hot dogs and hamburgers. In this park is prohibited alcoholic drinks because the park is a public place. And the language in this location is Spanish, but you can find information in English in in the park. in in I am sure you will enjoy this attracts the all attraction and uh, the activities this park has you for and your family. Thanks.